It had been 6 months since she'd been in to get her hair colored. The ends had oxidized to a red orange. We had to use 2 hair color formulas to achieve this dimensional brunette hair color. She wears a keratin treatment and her hair is fine, so we're using this modern curling wand to add fullness and volume to her hair. We're using a combination of on base and over directed curls to achieve this modern bob that's full of body. When you're using heat to blow dry and add curls, you're affecting the salt bonds and the hydrogen bonds. So you need to let the hair cool and reset between each step. We used a Demi-Permanent hair color to create 2 formulas. We added collagen and bond builders.